Yeah. So now that I just restarted my system because I newly installed Yarn. So to now that Yarn is working, I can now bring in create React app. So to do that, I simply say Yarn. Make sure that you're in empty desktop. You're not in any directory. You're just on desktop. You can see I'm on desktop. So I say Yarn global add. So I'm trying to add create React app. You see the command yarn add global yarn global add create react app. So once I do that, I press the enter key. You see yarn global, you see it's bringing it in, resolving packages and stuff. So yarn is now working in my terminal. So after the installation, if you're not seeing yarn, simply restart your system. That's what I did. I restarted my system and now yarn is coming. So please make sure you do that. Most of you will just finish installing and immediately try it. So restart. Once you restart, your terminal will be able to see it and it will start working. So after bringing in the create react app, I'm going to use create react app to spin up an app. And the app we are going to spin up is the app that we'll be working in, and that will be our front end application. So for you to become a full stack developer, you need to know back end and front end, and we are done with front end from a little we've done using MongoDB and Express. So for the front end, we are using React. You can also use Angular or Vue, but for the purposes of the lectures from our open classroom, we are using React. So I'm gonna wait for Yarn to bring in create React app. So once I install this create, you can see the difference in the language. Yarn uses add, but if you're using npm install, you use install. So if you're using the node package manager npm, we would have said install create react app, but for yarn we are using yarn add create react app. So understand the differences. We could have used npm as well, but we want to use yarn package manager yarn because that is what is used in the open classroom. So I want you to take note of why we are making that choice. So it is fully there. So you can see success installed create react app. This is the version with binaries. So we can say create react app. It is done in this second. So to check whether it's working, I can simply put in this command create react app help, just the way we checked for the other one. So I can say create react app double then help, create react app help. Okay, say the command is not seen, so I have to check. There's a mistake in my create, so I have to write it well. Create react app help. Okay, so you see there's no e in this create, that's why this one didn't show, but this one is working now. Okay, so it's working perfectly. So now to create our react app, now this is the command you use. Now that create react app is working, we'll now say create react app space, then we'll put the name of our app. So what is going to be the name of our project, the front end project we are building? So I'm gonna just say FRT, meaning front end, FRT app. So front end app. So that is the project we'll be building. So I'll just click the enter key. So the name of our app is FRT app, front app. So you can see now it's creating the new app and it's putting it in our desktop, installing packages. So we're going to see a whole lot of packages installed, and with these packages we can quickly get on to creation of our app. So welcome to our React class. It's going to be very enjoying. You can see a whole lot of things are opening. So in subsequent classes we are going to be looking at these folders that being created by this powerful tool, creat-reacr-app. So we're going to inspect it and look at everything that is inside it. So once this is done, you're going to see a new when you go to your desktop, you're going to see this prog file, this FRT app that we just created. You will see it here, and we'll be able, you can see it here already. It's already a FRT app, so we'll be able to open it from inside here and now inspect all the files that are inside there. Thank you. If you have any questions and concerns, please drop them in the comment section. Thank you.